What is going on, guys? Quick video here. We're just showing you some Nismo rear suspension parts. So we got two of the same part here. One's a 591 and one's a 590. We're going to show you the difference and the upper link. So starting off with the 591s and the 590s. As you can see, the parts here, you have all the different models. The two-wheel drive use the 580.
Same paper.
And same paper, this one, the 590 and the 591 are going to be for your 33 and 34s, two-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, or your S14s.
All right, so first quick glance, looks pretty standard, but the main thing you're looking for is the reinforcement. Now, these are standard Nismo arms. There are no extra reinforcement. We'll go ahead and show you that and what that looks like.
So if you want to take this one out, Mike.
Ones. And you had that, but we'll just show you through the paper. So see how that extra reinforcement on both sides. This is the extra difference between the 591 and the 590. When ordering these, there is a metal piece that you need to reuse on top of the ball joint.
We have one upstairs. I think we also have some down here.
I have one down here.
We'll show you what it looks like.
I don't have it down here.
It's upstairs next to my computer. But he's going to go grab that. But yeah, these things are difference in price. So obviously the 591s are going to be a lot more versus the 590. Let me get this out. And I don't think there's any real major difference on the top side, but as you can see, they don't come super perfect.
So you would think that they would include these and make it like just bolt in ready.
Part number, you can still get them right now, but you take it out.
You have to put that on, slip this on top of here, and then it bolts on. Don't worry, we learned the hard way.
So you want to go ahead and open this up. We're going to check the top side, just make sure if there's any differences.
Just some
doesn't look like there's really any as far as we can tell.
Nope.
Both are the same. It's just that reinforcement. As you can see, the reinforcement here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up.
I'll show them the other arms real quick if you want.
Yeah, so this 580 set right here, this is the upper link set. Need to open it over here. These are the upper arms.
Pretty standard.
If you look at the suspension paperwork here, kind of goes to the left side right here of the suspension, and then this curvy part right here is going to be this other box, which is the 590s. So that's the curvy part. So it is this, and they do make a pro version for circuit racing, which is discontinued now, but as you can see, they have two different parts. They have a 580 and a 590 part number. So,
and then if you want to be extra and get some even more reinforcement,
bracing, they have
to
this
sell the bracing kit.
Set.
These are 5 arms that connect all those pieces and gives you some new brackets. Part number here, that is
bracing,
and don't know what the price on those are off the top of my head.
And here's a subframe, which it all goes on to. So, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, let us know. You can still get a lot of these parts now before they're discontinued.
These are the front Nismo circuit arms. These are discontinued.
And they have a bottom circuit link set that goes with it that is different from the 34, but it does work on the 33.
We got lucky, picked these up brand new
So
Don't even know how I found them.
but yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let us know. We'll go ahead and
33 and 34 are the same.
wrap it up. Later.